Guys, welcome to 11 Mile State Park. If you've followed my channel at all, you know that I've filmed a lot up here at 11 Mile. But what I'm gonna do is, this is the first installment of a multi-installment kind of a series that I'm gonna be doing of Colorado, mainly Southwest Colorado. So I'm just here in the afternoon, it's about 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna use 11 Mile kind of as a jumping off point. I'm starting here, just gonna fish tonight, and then I'm gonna head to Southwest Colorado and fish some lakes down there. So if you're interested in seeing Southwest Colorado or any Colorado fishing, stay with me. Fish on here. Put it up here so you guys can see it. That's good. Getting the bites right away. So see what it does. Definitely a fish. Let's see what we got here. My guess is trout, but who knows? You can see this. Oh yeah. Definitely on. Let's see here. See what we got. Maybe I'll stand up and fight it here. Little, what is that? What is it? Is a trout. Little trout. All right, that's a good start. Little trout, we'll get rid of him here. Fish on here, guys. They're liking this green tassy a lot. It feels like another stalker trout. Feels like a little guy. There are very big trout in this lake, so I think we just have a little guy on here. So let's see here. He's about 4 colors out. I don't know if he's still on or not. If he's on, he's little. Yep, he's still on. Unless he shows me something big here at the end. What is he? What is he? I'm always hoping to get a kokanee, but... Oh, what is this? What is this? Yes. Okay, we're gonna net this guy because I'm very, very excited to get this guy. I'm very, 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 very excited right now. Very excited. I think I'm excited. I think I'm very, very excited here. Don't want to get too excited yet, but I think I'm very excited. Yes, I'm very excited. Okay. Yes, I'm very excited. I'm netting him. Now, probably why are you netting such a small fish? Because I am very, very excited. Let me pull this out. I'm going to tell you guys in a second. Fish is a brown trout, and we just don't get that many brown trout here at 11 Mile. I've never caught a brown trout here at 11 Mile, so I'm really, really excited that I caught this guy. Just a little guy, but there are brown trout in this lake. So let me let's get him released, and let's let him go here. Brown trout. Well, this seems to be the pattern of my fishing lately, partly because I'm just getting out in the evenings. I haven't been fishing in the mornings, but yeah, it's raining, got rained off. I'm gonna pull the old Aurora Reservoir trick and wait for a little while. If the rain calms down, I'll head out, got the kayak ready to go. If not, I'll load it up and head over to the campsite and drive down and hit Southwest Colorado starting tomorrow. Got my second life here. It quit raining. My guess is it's gonna start again. So we're between 2 little rainstorms here. So I don't want to sit in the car and do nothing, because that's not what I like to do when I go fishing, is do nothing. So I am gonna get out there and see if I can't get into something out here before it rains again. Let's here. Give it a try. Much nicer fish. Yeah, this has got to be a better fish. This has got to be a better fish. It took it hard. Swimming towards the boat. I'm gonna stand and fight him here, I think. Yeah, much nicer fish. We can see this. Okay, there's my, oh yeah, a pike. It's a pike. It's a pike. A nice pike. Oh yeah, it's a nice pike. Oh, it's a nice pike. Nice, it's a nice pike. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh. You seeing this, guys? It's a nice pike. Oh yeah. That might be my PR pike right there, guys. Took it on just a little crankbait here. Okay, so now I gotta, those things have teeth and they will cut me off. That is a nice pike. Look at that thing. That thing's a beast. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. That made my night right there. Look at that thing. Oh, that is a good pike. Good pike. Caught him on just caught him on a little crankbait here. A little, forget the name of this thing. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. I think I'm gonna net you. Yeah, look at that pike. I don't. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even trying for pike. Look at that guy. I'm not even trying for you, buddy. Not even trying for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna get you netted here, and then we're gonna just have a happy time with you. I knew you were bigger. I didn't know you're a pike though. Okay guys, if he breaks off, I have proof this is a pike here. Okay, here we go. I actually purposely invested in a bigger net to get these. Oh! Is he gone? He's gone. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Wah, wah, wah. Well, that was fun. And a hook in my pants here. I think I'm gonna call it a night. And 11 miles pretty good tonight. That nice pike, I wish I would have been able to boat, but that's okay because then I didn't have to touch its teeth and get cut up there. And then trout got a little bigger, little trout, and then I caught that brown trout tonight. So I almost thought I caught a kokanee, but they're all trout. So anyways, pretty excited about that. And 11 Mile was a nice stop off point, and I think I can make a decent video out of it. So all right, that's episode 1, and we'll see where we're gonna be next. Vallecito or Vallecito, depends on how you want to pronounce it, Reservoir, just east of Durango, Colorado. Beautiful lake, mountain lake, mountain reservoir, just a beautiful, nice reservoir. We're gonna go for, I think we're gonna go for trout today. So trout is the species of target species here, but there are northern pike in here, and there's also a lot of smallmouth bass. So we'll see what we can get into today at Vallecito Reservoir. Let's go check it out. Vallecito, however you say it. I always just call it Vallecito. I've never fished this on my kayak at all. So what I do is, my videos, I just troll around the lake and see, just troll crankbaits, because that just seems to be the quickest way to cover water. And then there's some stumps back here I'm gonna try for maybe some bass or something. But right now I'm just gonna troll around and see if I can't find something that wants to play with some crankbaits right now. All right, let's give it a try. Get this one in. Okay guys, got something took it. I don't know if he's still on. Feels like something's still on here. Something took my line hard. See what he is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, this is a great trout. Look at this thing. Oh man, that's a great trout. You're seeing this. Vallecito trout. Oh, he's a great trout. Man, what a great trout. Nice, eh, Bubba? Woo! That is a nice trout. Hello, buddy. Nice. What's up, brother? Okay. Let's get you netted here. Oh, man, what a nice trout. Caught him on a little crawdad crankbait here. Get him in the net. Oh, yeah. What's up, brother? All right, we'll take a look at him in a minute here. Cool. Okay guys, we're gonna make this our outtake. Vallecito is a absolutely gorgeous lake in southwest Colorado. The fishing got that one nice trout and some little teeny pikes and a few other trout, but not too bad. Pretty good day, just for the first time when you're just kind of checking it out. So first time I've ever had the kayak on Vallecito, so a lot of fun, and glad I came here just because looking around on this lake is just so gorgeous that it doesn't really matter if you're catching fish or not. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye. So this is another reservoir. I have no idea. Just never heard of it before, but I saw it on a map, and now I'm gonna give it a try. I don't know if this is a fish or not, but it might be. It is a fish. First fish on, guys. Can you see this? What is it? Whoa. Ah! Came off. I don't know what it was. It was nice though. Jeez. Okay. 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 All right. Another fish on here. Oh man, it feels good too. It feels really good. Feels like a nice fish. Oh yeah. What is it? It's what is that? Holy cow, look at this perch. Oh my goodness. It's a huge perch. Oh, look at this perch. Oh my gosh, what a cool, look at that. That is a huge perch. Let me net him really quick. Oh my goodness. I don't think, maybe I think I can just pop him in here. Oh, look at that perch. Oh, man. That might be a master angler perch. I'm gonna measure this guy, because that's gotta be a master angler perch. Let me see here what this thing is. So I gotta get a measurement on this guy really quick. Let me put this in here. I'll come check back. Big. Feels pike-ish. Feels like a pike. This is a walleye, it's a brute. Looks like a pike. All right, guys. The pike are wanting to play today. Taking drag. Let's see what he looks like. He looks probably even bigger than the other one. Yeah, this one's about probably 30. Yeah, big pike. Big, probably close to 30 maybe. You guys seeing this? Hello, Mr. Pike. Southwest Colorado pike right there, guys. What's up, Mr. Pike? I'd say 5 or 6 pounds on you. All right, let's get you off on what feels to be a pretty good fish. Feels walleye-ish. Let's see what we got here. Try not to fall in here. See what we got. Come on, baby, what are you? Show yourself to me. Definitely a fish. The bigger fish. The pike. Oh, it's a good walleye. It's a good walleye. It's a great walleye. Oh, let's see how big this guy is. Don't fall in, don't fall in. Nice, 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 nice. This is a big walleye. Oh yeah. Oh, hello, big walleye. Nice. Oh yeah. Come on, big walleye. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's a big walleye. Oh, I got him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't got him. Don't got him. My net job is not good. Come on, big walleye. Come on. Come on. Got my other line hooked up in him. All right. The line's hooked up. Reel me on. Okay, don't fall in. Don't fall in. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh my gosh. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oh good gosh, we gotta check this guy out, guys. Let's check him out. Call it a trip for No Name Lake. It was a good lake. It got slow at the end, but man, pulled that nice walleye out, and that was nice northern, and it was really fun lake. I'm glad we were able to come across this lake. So thanks for watching this installment. See you later. Bye.